Before I get into the video, guys, I am doing a huge giveaway to people who like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll give you a couple of seconds to go ahead and do both of those, and let's get into the video. In this quick tutorial, guys, I'm going to be showing you how to get free CP in CODM. These are the best CODM redeem codes. You're going to be able to get tons of free COD points in COD Mobile. Literally takes just a few minutes and it is working in 2025. This is going to save you a bunch of money and you don't have to purchase COD Mobile points anymore, guys, because these are not cheap. If you was to purchase them, as you can see, 1000 CP costs around $10 US. I'm going to show you how to get 10,000 free CP in COD Mobile, and it literally takes just a few minutes of your time. So as you can see, I've got my mobile phone here. I've opened up the internet browser, and this is going to be able to get you a COD Mobile redeem code, and you enter it in the COD store. Let me just quickly show you guys before I get into the tutorial where you enter the redeem code. It is in the Call of Duty Redemption Center, so all you need to do is enter in your user ID and the redeem code that I'm going to show you how to get, and you're going to get 10,000 free CP. So as you can see, guys, go to this on your mobile phone. Just got to go to www.coldcoupons.com. Very important you type it like this. So pause the video, copy this down if you need to, but this is an awesome codes website. As you can see, I'm scrolling down the page. They have codes for some of your favorite games. They have pretty much every game on here. They also have some shopping things as well. So what you're going to want to do is use the search bar and just search for CODM. And this is the page, guys. This is a Call of Duty Mobile redeem code, and as you can see, there's a couple of things. You can unlock all skins, but you can get 10,000 free COD points. So this is the code that I'm going to select right here, and as I mentioned, this is a simple code that you can redeem in the COD Mobile Redemption Center, and it's going to supply you with 10,000 free COD points. So this is the easiest method, guys, because it is just a code and it does only take a few minutes to unlock your code. So it says here your code is ready and will be revealed after verification. So your COD Mobile redeem code is currently protected and locked. You need to unlock your code by following the instructions on this page. It says complete 2 of the free tasks below to get your code from Cold Coupons and follow the instructions. So you're going to see a list of tasks. As you can see, I've got things like mobile surveys, mobile applications. You just need to complete 2 of them, making sure you read the description. If you choose a survey, as per this example here, you just answer the questions and input a valid email. Very important you do fully complete with personal valid information, because they're all completely free, but they do verify that you're a real person. If you complete 2 of those tasks, your COD Mobile redeem code will be fully revealed, and that is how to get free CP in CODM. So you would simply grab your code. Let's keep going back here. So you redeem it in the redemption center. So you grab your code once you unlock it, redeem it in there, and that is how to get free CP in Call of Duty Mobile. So all you need to do, guys, is head on over to coldcoupons.com and just find the CODM redeem codes page and go ahead, select the free COD points. So I hope you enjoyed. Hit the like button if you did, and I'll see you in my next video.